You can see this is the Igbo women. Igbo women cultural dance. Very beautiful women. Very beautiful women. They are dancing flavor. Look at that. Check out. Travelers experience. Dancing with them. Beautiful women, Igbo women. Just imagine. See how they are making the dance? They are enjoying themselves, man. Igbo people, Igbo women. Look at the way they are very flexible women. All of them can dance, shaking their back nicely. Just take a look. Igbo women dancing. You get what I'm saying? This is travelers experience. Yes, travelers experience visited Belgium for the Igbo Union Cultural Dance in Antwepen in Belgium. Yes. You can see what their women are doing, dancing to the gallery. They are very beautiful women, beautiful women everywhere. Come on, beautiful women. They can shake their back anyhow they like. They know how to shake it. They know how to dance. Look at these beautiful people. Oh, beautiful women. Yes. Thank you so much, my audience worldwide. Thank you so much. See you some other time.